using the safety stock mode. Make sure you have selected the right mode using this button. Click OK to use this mode on an existing tab or create new to create a new tab with a safety stock template. The mode selected needs to match the template name you are about to use. Using this template, you can assign safety stock rules to items within each organization. Copy-paste your items and organization code. You can also type the data in. You can use the default values row. Anything you put on this row will default on the blank rows below, so you don't have to repeat the same value for all these item numbers. You can bring up the user form if you need to enter or complete your dataset from the main ribbon or by double-clicking on the item you'd like to take a closer look at. The yellow fields are mandatory. The effective date must be a future date. You can also default this value, so you don't have to repeat the data entry. When the dataset is ready, you have two options. You can validate the dataset only, or validate and upload. Then you can process a selection, highlight any column with the safety stocks you would like to upload and choose Upload Selected, or choose Upload All to upload all rows on this tab. The wizard will start with validation and then process the valid records to Oracle and will show an accepted status in this case. You can also delete safety stocks. To do that, enter a list of item numbers and use Download via Sheet. Then enter Yes against the records you'd like to delete and upload a selection. This is how you would delete safety stocks.